Welcome to Wall Street Sizing Up. We're glad you're here. Today is a weekend edition, very, very short. Just going to throw out some tickers with some sized up positions that we believe hedge funds could still be in for your Monday morning stocks to watch. Also, two very interesting trades. One is from Carl Icahn, and two is I see you, Kevin Tang, Mr. 800% 3 days. Let's hit the casino. Hit the theme, Jake. And we're off. First up is IVZ. IVC is Invesco. You can see I've got a small position. Full disclosure, I do keep positions in some of these stocks just to see what these stocks are going to do after the hedge funds size up. That's just to help my strategy and actually bring you a better product on the channel. But again, IVZ Invesco, this is a slow and steady stock. They're sized up by Trian Fund, the Trian Fund Management. They have 45 million shares. Now, here's the thing. They're at 1388 right there. You see them on the screen. They have a price target of 1650. It's a $500 million position, and Trion has gone, since the trade, they're up 7. So clearly they've taken some chips off the table. They still may be in this trade. That's why we want to bring it to you. Next up is going to be GBLI. GBLI. See them there, Global Indemnity Group. Clearly insurance, the Harbor Fund Advisors, they are in it looks like about a $15 million position. They have gained about 11% since they got into this position, but it is trending up, and that's why I wanted to bring it to you. Again, that's GBLI. Next up is CRBP. Now, CRBP, biotech. So, big question mark here. Be careful. This was a $10 stock. It doesn't show it here, but this was a $10 stock all the way down to a $1 stock. And the ETF managers here are still buying more. Clearly, they know something, that they're in a $5 million position. Since they got into that position, it is up 11%, so they could have moved out. Again, it was just a $5 million position, but big enough for a penny stock to go over the SEC's 5%, 13G, 13D mark. So, but be careful. That's CRBP or Corbus Pharmaceuticals. Next up is TBK. TBK, pretty good size position here. That's Triumph Bancorp is what it's called. Triumph Bancorp. Luxor Capital sized up here with 1.4 million shares. That is a $55 million position. Now, here's the thing. Triumph, this stock, since Luxor signed up, they are down 7%. So they're either out of the position, or they've got insider knowledge, or they know the chairman very well, or there's some juice here. So this is very much a stock to watch, maybe even a stock to get in. Again, if it continues to break downward, cut your losses, but this one could have a big move really over the next couple of days. So that's TBK. Next one is NOA. Now NOA, I'm on the SEC website. So NOA is North American Energy Construction is what it is. It's in different places. It's named different things, but for the most part, North American Energy. Now, Mar Investment sized up on this. It's at $8, 3.4, almost 3.5 million shares, $27 million position. Now, since they sized up, you can see it there. About 7 days ago, they're up 10%. So, but this is trending up. It's doing a sideways move now, but I believe that it's trying to make this new high again. I think it's an $8.50 stock. So with that, I also wanted to show you, just know Carl Icahn bought more of Xerox, XRX. That is XRX, Xerox. He now owns 14% of the entire company. So that's 28 million shares, a $500 million position for him. So he clearly likes that stock. He clearly is an activist investor, and he thinks that he can push the stock price up. But for the winner of the week. Literally, to me, better than a Biden win. I mean, this guy went crazy. APVO, or APVO Therapeutics. If you see it on the screen there, you see that it literally went from a $5 stock. Actually, when he got in, it's a guy named Kevin Tang at Tang Capital. He got in at right around $7.50 on November the 3rd. And as of the 6th, it's gone from $7.50 to $52. Okay? So let me put that in context for y'all. He sized up with a $13 million position. He bought 54% of the company. It went up 700% in 3 days. He is now in a $91 million position. And let me just tell you this. There's no rating on it as far as price target. It might have more room to run. Looking at the candles, it may have more room to run. But my point is, $700,000 in 3 days. He's made literally $77 million in 3 days. So congratulations to you, Kevin Tang. I see you. I hope this helps, guys. We really appreciate you supporting the channel, watching the channel. Watch your six. Go hard in the paint. Have a great weekend. Cheers. We'll see you next time. Well, good day, good evening, and whatever time it may be. We hope you enjoyed that video as much as we enjoyed making it. Please hit the like or the subscribe or leave a comment, because we love that feedback. And you know what we say. At the casino, you got to watch your six and you go hard in the paint, guys. Cheers. We'll see you next time.